Looking for an effortless way to keep your garden thriving? Best Drip Irrigation System delivers precise watering straight to the roots while saving time and water. From raised beds to greenhouses, these top kits make gardening smarter and easier than ever before. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. HIRALIY 100-Foot Drip Irrigation System. I recently set up the HIRALIY 100-Foot Drip Irrigation System for my raised beds and greenhouse, and it has been a real game changer. The kit comes with everything you need: 100 feet of tubing, 24 adjustable emitters, stakes, a two-way connector, and end plugs. What stands out most is how even the watering stays from start to finish thanks to the pressure-compensated emitters. No more weak flow at the end of the line, which was always a problem with my old setup. Each emitter lets you choose shutoff, slow drip, or stronger flow, so I can easily match different plants' needs without dragging hoses around every day. The Quick Connect design made assembly straightforward, no boiling water or struggling with fittings, and everything sealed up tight with almost zero leaks. For anyone with multiple beds or a wider garden layout, this 100-foot length gives you the reach you actually need. It saved me so much time and water while keeping everything thriving. Highly recommend if you want a reliable, flexible system that just works. Number 2. BUIGNDG 120-Foot 1/4-inch Drip Irrigation System. The BUIGNDG 120-Foot 1/4-inch Drip Irrigation System completely exceeded my expectations for coverage and ease of use. With 120 feet of tubing and 26 adjustable 360-degree copper nozzles, it covers way more ground than standard kits. I love that I can switch between spraying, dripping, and misting depending on what the plants need. The copper nozzles feel solid, resist clogging, and are easy to clean or reposition. Installation was truly tool-free, just cut, push, and connect, and the leak-proof rings held up perfectly even when I had to adjust a few spots. The thickened PE tubing bends nicely around corners and stays put with the included stakes and clips. I've been using it on my vegetable garden and flower beds, and it's saving me roughly 70% on water while everything looks healthier. The complete kit has all the connectors and parts you could want, so there's no extra shopping. If you have a larger area or want something durable that handles different watering modes, this one delivers.
Number 3. MIXC 24-Foot Drip Irrigation System. After trying several simpler kits, the MIXC 24-Foot Drip Irrigation System feels like the upgrade I should have bought first. You get both 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch tubing, plus a huge variety of emitters, drip, vortex, mist nozzles, and more, so you can really customize for different plants and zones. The quick connectors are excellent. Everything snaps together securely in minutes without leaks. I set up the main 1/2-inch line and branched off with the 1/4-inch tubing to reach all my raised beds and greenhouse areas. Being able to adjust each nozzle individually means no more over- or underwatering specific plants. The kit includes plenty of tees, plugs, and connectors, making it truly all-in-one. Setup took me about 10 minutes once I laid everything out. It works beautifully for lawns, patios, vegetable beds, and even roof cooling. Water distribution is even and efficient, and the whole system feels sturdy enough to last seasons. This is perfect for anyone serious about their garden. Number 4. Vego Drip Irrigation System. The Vego Drip Irrigation System is exactly what I needed for my raised garden beds. It's simple, effective, and focused on doing one thing well: delivering water right to the roots. The 25-foot tubing is flexible yet tough, fitting nicely along the edges and between plants without kinking. Installation was straightforward with clear instructions, and all the parts were included, so I didn't have to run to the store. I especially appreciate how it reduces water waste while keeping soil consistently moist, which has noticeably improved growth in my vegetables and flowers. It's ideal for smaller to medium raised beds where you want reliable, low-maintenance watering without soaking the leaves. The quality feels solid, and it's held up well through daily use and temperature changes. If you're looking for an eco-friendly way to save time and water while growing healthier plants, this kit strikes a great balance between simplicity and performance. It's become part of my daily garden routine now.
Number 5. Rainbird Drip Irrigation System. I picked up the Rainbird drip irrigation system for my 4x8 raised bed and couldn't be happier with the results. The kit includes 35 feet of emitter tubing with 70 built-in emitters spaced every 6 inches, plus 25 feet of distribution tubing, more than enough for a standard bed with professional results. Pressure-compensating emitters ensure every plant gets the same amount of water, which has led to noticeably better yields and healthier growth. It's low-volume root watering, so I'm saving up to 80% on water compared to overhead sprinklers. Installation was easy thanks to the detailed illustrated manual that shows different layout options. Everything feels high quality and built to last season after season. No more daily hand watering or guessing if plants are getting enough moisture. This system has simplified my gardening routine while delivering consistent, efficient results. If you have a raised bed and want something reliable from a trusted brand, this Rainbird kit is worth every penny. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.